Have you ever felt bloated, sluggish, or not quite yourself, even though you're eating what you think is healthy? Here's the truth. Your gut might be overloaded and begging for a reset. The gut is the body's control center for digestion, immunity, energy, and even mood. When it's not functioning properly, the rest of your body can feel the effects. But before you turn to expensive detox kits or harsh cleanses, let's take a look at something far more powerful: real food. Today, we're revealing 8 gut-friendly foods that can naturally cleanse and rebalance your digestive system. These aren't fads or supplements. They're whole, nourishing foods that gently detoxify the gut, reduce inflammation, and help your body feel light, energized, and truly well. Stay with us, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to eat to restore gut health and feel your best from the inside out. Number 1. Fermented foods. When it comes to gut health, fermented foods are absolute superstars. These foods are naturally rich in probiotics, those beneficial bacteria that help populate your gut microbiome and crowd out the harmful ones. Think of probiotics as your internal gardeners, helping to fertilize the good bacteria and weed out the bad. Foods like sauerkraut, kimchi, kefir, miso, and plain Greek yogurt are all loaded with live cultures that support digestion, reduce bloating, and enhance immune function. Fermented foods help break down nutrients more efficiently, making it easier for your body to absorb vitamins and minerals. They also help regulate bowel movements and reduce inflammation throughout the digestive tract. If you've been feeling weighed down or irregular, adding just a few tablespoons of sauerkraut to your meals or enjoying a glass of kefir can work wonders. But start small. Too much too fast can cause temporary gas or cramping as your gut microbiome adjusts. To get the full benefit, choose fermented foods that are raw, unpasteurized, and contain active cultures. These are the living, breathing allies your gut is craving. Number 2. Leafy greens. Spinach, kale, Swiss chard, and arugula. Don't just nourish your body, they help cleanse your digestive system gently and naturally. Leafy greens are high in fiber, which acts like a gentle broom for your intestines, sweeping away waste and toxins that may be lingering in the gut. They also contain chlorophyll, a natural detoxifier that helps the liver process chemicals and reduces inflammation. When you eat leafy greens regularly, you're not just supporting digestion, you're also feeding the beneficial bacteria in your gut. That's because these vegetables contain prebiotics, a type of fiber that helps your good microbes grow strong. They're also loaded with essential nutrients like folate, magnesium, and vitamin C, all of which support gut repair and overall digestive function. If raw greens are tough on your stomach, try lightly steaming or sautéing them in olive oil with garlic. A simple bowl of greens each day can promote regularity, reduce bloating, and reset your gut's natural rhythm. Number 3. Ginger. If your gut feels inflamed or unsettled, ginger is one of the best natural remedies you can reach for. This spicy root has been used for centuries to ease nausea, support digestion, and calm an irritated stomach. The secret lies in its active compounds, particularly gingerol, which reduces inflammation and stimulates digestive enzymes. These enzymes help break down food more efficiently, so your gut doesn't have to work as hard. Ginger also improves gut motility, which means it helps move food through your digestive tract at a healthy pace. This is essential if you struggle with sluggish digestion, gas, or constipation. You can enjoy ginger in many forms: grated fresh into meals, steeped into tea, or blended into smoothies. Even a small amount can stimulate your digestive fire and help detoxify the gut naturally. For a quick gut reset, try sipping warm ginger tea first thing in the morning. It stimulates bile production and helps prepare your digestive system for the day. Whether you're bloated, cramping, or just feeling heavy, ginger offers fast and effective support for a calmer, cleaner gut. Number 4. Chia seeds. Tiny but mighty, chia seeds are a powerhouse for gut health and natural cleansing. When mixed with water or liquid, they form a gel-like substance that acts as a gentle internal scrub for your digestive tract. Chia seeds are high in soluble fiber, which bulks up your stool and helps eliminate waste more efficiently. They also feed the friendly bacteria in your gut, promoting a healthy microbiome. And because they absorb many times their weight in water, they keep you hydrated and support regular, effortless elimination. They're also packed with omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants, which reduce inflammation throughout the body, including the gut lining. If you suffer from constipation, bloating, or irregular digestion, chia seeds can be a simple, effective fix. Try adding a tablespoon to your smoothie, oatmeal, or yogurt, or make a simple chia pudding with almond milk and cinnamon. The key is to let them soak before eating. This activates their cleansing gel. Once in your gut, they work like a sponge, absorbing toxins and helping move waste through your system with ease. Number 5. Apple. There's a reason for the old saying, "An apple a day keeps the doctor away." When it comes to gut health, apples are a true cleansing food. They're rich in pectin, a type of soluble fiber that feeds the good bacteria in your gut and helps eliminate toxins and cholesterol through your stool. This supports not only gut health but also your liver and overall detox pathways. Apples also contain antioxidants like quercetin, which reduce inflammation in the intestinal lining and help restore balance to your microbiome. Their natural water content supports hydration, and the fiber promotes regularity without being harsh. One of the best parts? Apples are easy to incorporate into your day. Enjoy them raw, sliced with almond butter, or baked with cinnamon for a warm, soothing snack. Even the peel offers gut benefits. Just make sure you choose organic when possible to avoid pesticide residue. For a daily gut boost, reach for a crisp, juicy apple. It's simple, satisfying, and naturally cleansing. Number 6. Beets. Beets are one of the most effective natural foods for cleansing the digestive system and supporting liver detoxification. Their vibrant red color comes from betalains, powerful antioxidants that fight inflammation and help the body process toxins. Beets help thin bile, a fluid produced by the liver that's crucial for breaking down fats and removing waste. A healthy bile flow means better digestion and more efficient cleansing. They're also high in fiber, which keeps things moving in your digestive tract and encourages the removal of waste and harmful bacteria. If you're looking for a food that supports both gut and liver health, beets deliver on both fronts. They can be enjoyed roasted, grated raw into salads, or blended into smoothies for a nutrient-dense, detoxifying boost. For a deeper gut cleanse, try beet juice mixed with lemon and ginger. It's refreshing, energizing, and a powerful way to stimulate your digestive system naturally. Don't be surprised if your digestion speeds up after eating beets. It's a sign your body is cleansing and responding well. Number 7. Bone broth. Bone broth might not be the first thing you think of when you hear cleanse, but it's actually one of the most healing foods you can consume for your gut. Made by simmering animal bones and connective tissue for hours, bone broth is rich in collagen, gelatin, and amino acids like glutamine, all of which help repair and seal the gut lining. This is especially important for those dealing with leaky gut, food sensitivities, or inflammation. Bone broth also contains minerals like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, which support digestive function and help calm the nervous system. Unlike harsh cleanses that can strip your body, bone broth is nourishing and deeply restorative. It's easy to digest, hydrating, and helps rebalance the gut microbiome. Sipping on a warm cup of bone broth daily can soothe the digestive tract and support long-term gut repair. It's especially beneficial during colder months or after a period of digestive upset. Make it at home, or choose a high-quality store-bought version. Just be sure it's made from grass-fed, organic bones for maximum benefit. Number 8. Avocados. A creamy, delicious fruit that's also a major gut health ally. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, which reduce inflammation and help your gut lining stay strong and resilient. They're also packed with fiber, both soluble and insoluble, which supports healthy digestion, feeds your microbiome, and promotes regular bowel movements. This combination of healthy fats and fiber makes avocado one of the best foods for overall gut balance. It keeps you full, stabilizes blood sugar, and reduces the digestive stress caused by processed carbs or fried foods. Plus, avocados are a great source of magnesium and potassium, both of which support the muscles in your digestive tract and help prevent constipation. Enjoy them sliced on toast, blended into smoothies, or mashed into guacamole. Just half an avocado a day can make a big difference in how your gut feels and functions. When it comes to cleansing and nourishing your gut, avocado is one of nature's tastiest solutions. Your gut is the foundation of your health. When it's functioning well, everything else falls into place. Energy improves, skin clears up, your mood lifts, and digestion becomes effortless. By choosing gut-friendly natural foods like the ones we've talked about today, you're not just cleansing your system. You're creating a healthier, stronger you from the inside out. So which of these foods are you most excited to try first? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend who needs a gut reset, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on natural health and healing. Thanks for watching, and remember, a happy gut means a happier, healthier you. See you in the next video.